Welcome to Ignite India Education 2021. Answer key for written test GAT paper held on 14th February 21 is available on the NIFT website nift.tac.in. There you can go and check your marks. You need to fill your roll number, program, question booklet series, date of birth and submit. When you will submit this, you will get your marks. If you are not satisfied with your marks, then in that case you can again fill your objections that will be entertained by NIFT. They will check. The answers key are available on the portal from 17th February 2021 10 am to 28th February 2021 up to 10 am for the candidate to view and submit their objections, if any, regarding any of the questions. Thereafter, no objection will be entertained from the candidate. Candidate should fill in his/her roll number, date of birth and question booklet series in order to view the corresponding answer key. Candidates should submit valid and specific input for re-examination of answer key in the space provided in the portal. Fee of ₹500 per question will be charged for each objection submitted by the candidate. If candidate's objection regarding any particular question is found valid by the student, by the subject expert, then the key will be revised accordingly and the fee collected from the candidate for the particular question will be refunded. Fee refund for the objection found correct will only be credited by RTGS to the candidate's bank account as per detail filled by him/her on the portal. For objections found incorrect by the subject expert, the fee will not be refunded. No objection will be entertained from candidate through any other mode such as email, postal letter, etc. Written test result will be declared after modification, if any, are incorporated in the answer key wherever required. So this is the important information which we have now. So if you can go there, you can check your marks, and if you feel somewhere it is not correct and you should get more marks, you can always fill your objection. You need, per objection you need to pay 500 rupees. If your objection is correct, then you will get a refund, and if your objection is not correct, then NIFT will not refund you your money and your marks will also not change. If your objection is correct, you will get marks, also NIFT will refund you money. But this you can do only till 28th February 2021. तो आप अपने निफ्ट पोर्टल पे जाके अपने गैट पेपर का मार्क्स चेक कर सकते हैं, जो कि आज से अवेलेबल है। 17 फरवरी से लेके 20 फरवरी तक आप वहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं। 20 को 10 बजे आप 10 बजे तक वहाँ पे अपने ऑब्जेक्शंस दे सकते हैं। मतलब ये है कि 18-19 को ही आपको आपके ऑब्जेक्शंस अगर हैं तो पूरे कर लेने चाहिए। लास्ट डे तक वेट नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 10 am they are going to close. So after that they will not entertain. So in this case you should, if you have, you go, you check. If you're not satisfied with your mark, you should fill your objection. We will be coming live today and we will be discussing about this. If you need any help, stay tuned. We will see you in the evening. Just you can check our social media handles. We will be updating the time when we are coming live to interact with you and guide you. Stay tuned. Good luck everyone. We'll see you in the next video.